How to tag someone on X Twitter. Now, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can tag someone on X Twitter two specific ways. The first is before you open up X Twitter, make sure that you're using the latest version of the app so you will not experience any or you will not encounter any bugs and crashes while using the application. Now access the app and then make sure that you're logged in. Now, there are actually a lot of ways for you to tag or to mention someone, but I'm going to be showing you the most convenient way. So once you logged in, you should be able to see plus icon at the lower right, which is highlighted as blue. So simply tap on that and then choose on post. Now you're going to be tagging someone if you're going to be using the at sign like this one. And then just simply locate that specific user where you would like someone to be tagged in or mentioned. So that's the first one. The other way is to tag someone by comments. So say for example, like on this one, tap on these comment icon here, and then say in drill, use the at sign and type in that specific user that you'd like to be tagged. And it's basically it. It's two specific ways for you to be able to tag someone on X Twitter.